Hello everyone, my name is Preet. Welcome back to another Team 5773 Crash Course video. Today we will be discussing the design process and its benefits. Starting off, let's clear the confusion. Why is the design process? When using the process, it makes the whole team function more efficiently, since the whole team has a clear understanding on what is going on. So now that we have cleared that out of the way, let's move on to the amount of steps it has. The process has mainly about 6 steps. Starting off with step number 1, define the problem. Whenever you're creating something, always define the issue. What is the use of the product? What does the product solve? What are the criteria or constraints of the product? Once you've got that down, you can move on to step number 2. Step number 2 is generate concepts. Before building your product, always do your research and listen to all of your ideas. So when you're selecting, you can look through those ideas and select an approach. Once you have done your research and listened to your ideas, select your approach. Now you can move on to step number 3, which is develop solution. Now there are multiple ways to approach this particular step. Some people use CAD or sketches to show their designs, and others may not know what CAD is, and that is totally fine. All you need is a good sketch and a clear path to your design, and you're good to go. Now let's move on to step number 4, construct and test prototype. In this step, all you do is look at your CAD or your sketch and create a working prototype. Once you've got that, you're ready to go. Now remember, whenever you're testing, always record your data. Next comes step number 5, evaluate solution. Now this one's pretty easy. All you do is find out the solution's effectiveness and see if you can optimize it. And if you can, go back to construct and test prototype and keep on optimizing your solution until you get the best solution for you. Once you've done that, you're ready to move on to the final step of the design process. Welcome to the final step of the design process. This one's called presenting your solution. And as the words say, all you do is present your solution. First, document your data and then present it. And there you go. Congratulations. You have now completed the design process. Okay, now let's get a quick overview of the video. The design process has 6 steps. Step number 1, define the problem. Find out what the product should solve. Step number 2, generate concepts. Create ideas for your product. Step number 3 is develop solution. CAD or sketch your design. Step number 4 is construct and test prototype. Build a working prototype and test it. Number 5 is evaluate solution. See if your prototype can be improved. If so, go back to step number 4 and repeat the process until you get the best solution for yourself. And last step, present your solution. All you have to do is just present it. Well, that was the overview of the video. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and smash the like. My name is Preet, and I'll see you guys next time on NK Metal 5773.